Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate the deregistration process, which will be applicable for TIN deregistration, business or branch closure, and tax type deregistration. For non-individual taxpayers, other than an embassy, government bodies, and international organization, will not have the business and branch deregistration process step. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the Deregistration tile. Here, you will have to select Taxpayer Deregistration. Once loaded, you'll be navigated to the instructions page, where you'll need to read and declare that you have understood the instructions by ticking the checkbox. Then click on Continue to Next button to proceed to the next section. In this step, you will see that the TIN, name of the taxpayer, and issue date of TIN will be populated. Now, you have to select Yes or No to the question, do you want to deregister your TIN? If you select Yes, then select Deregistration Reason from the drop-down button and enter the date. Then attach your documents and proceed to the next step. Now, in order to proceed to the next step, click on Continue to the next step, and you'll be navigated to the Deregistration of Business Name section, where you will have to select Yes or No for the question, do you want to deregister business name? If you select Yes, then a follow-up question will pop up, where the system will ask you to select Yes or No to the question, all business to be deregistered with the same reason and date, and select the deregistration reason and date from the drop-down. However, if you select No, then attach your supporting documents to proceed. Now, click on Continue to the next step, where you will be navigated to the branch information section, where you'll need to select Yes and No to the question, all branch to be deregistered with same reason and date. If you select Yes, then select Deregistration Reason from the drop-down button and enter the date. If you select No, then attach your supporting documents to proceed to the next step. Now you will be navigated to Tax Type Information section, where you have to select Yes or No to the question, do you want to deregister any tax types? If you select Yes, then a follow-up question will be asked for you to select whether you want all tax types to be deregistered with the same reason and date. If you select No, then you can select tax types from the table and select the deregistration reason and date for each tax types you're registered for. Now, click on Continue to the next step, where you will be navigated to the Declaration section, where the TIN of the declarant will be entered. In order to submit the form, you will have to tick the Declaration checkbox and click the Submit button to submit the deregistration form. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email tpos@frcs.org.fj.